All right, I'm going to go through this. Hang on. So you already have taken a picture of this. I'm not going to spend much time on the visual text because I really want to focus a little bit on the closed passage as well as the what do you call that? The Compre open-ended. Okay. So let's do this because we've got quite a lot. Guys, you really, especially from next week, I will go and check. As it doesn't matter when you do the homework, but you need to show me your answers so I can actually see what your answers are. Is that clear? So please, especially this is what July 15th. It's literally half 6 months, 6 months and 2 weeks that we have passed. Your PSLE is in when? Can y'all tell me when is your PSLE? Are y'all aware? Y'all know your PSLE?
November.
Yeah, right.
Wait, December?
Really?
No lah, October before
No.
Children's Day.
I thought it was
Isn't it?
November. I thought it was November.
No. So can you please go and September? Sini, can you not frighten me? It's in October, right? PSLE 2024
No, it starts in September. It
No.
starts in September. All the oral and everything starts in September.
Oh, you're talking about that.
start of September.
PSLE English 2024 date. 26 September is English paper 1 and English paper 2. All right? Yeah, it's not October, darling. It's September. That is English paper 1 and English paper 2, 26 September. How scary is that? This is July. You literally have 2 months. Guys, I'm going to be very, hang on. Registration. Oral is on 13 August is on my birthday. Fantastic. Oral is on 13 August and 14 August.
Wait, what? 13 August?
No, that's my birthday. Listening comprehension is on 13 September. And your written exam is on 26 September. All right, 26 September to 2nd October. And your marking is from October to 16 October. So please, guys.
Wait, teacher, the marking is what?
Oh, hang on. PSLE written paper. 26 September. Sini, you're right. It's not October. I keep thinking it's October because it's, last
I
time
thought it was September.
September 26. You literally.
No, but it ends at October.
Yeah, but okay, let's come back. Oh, wait, I got so many this here. Hang on, who's sending me messages? Yes, oral prelim next week. I know there's very little time. All right, so guys, you really need to buck up, and I do not want anybody giving me excuse about not
I like
doing
oral.
it. Clear? All right, let's move on. But this is not working. Fantastic. Well done, Gloria. Perfect. All right. Why is this not working? And the whole world is against me. Okay, perfect. All right, I'm going to go through this very fast. I'm not even going to give you numbers to look for it because I think you guys all got it correct. Who's the standard first aid and AD awareness course meant for? Immediately, just by looking at it, you can see who is this, who is it for? It is for Singapore citizens
D.
and PRs,
It's
all right?
D.
The answer is D. Thank you. I'm going to go through this really quickly because I wonder, okay, number 2, what is the purpose of the QR code in the poster? Always remember, you all know what's a QR code by now, okay? Maybe 10 years, nobody know what was a QR code. Can you see
It's
this?
just A, right?
Right. Yes, it is the registration link, okay? It is to allow users to register. Remember, it's already written there. In fact, for my 88 tuition students, please, guys, you really need to get full marks when it comes to visual text because it's really one of the areas where you need to study smart. There's work hard and work smart. This is one area you need to work smart and make sure you score here. All right, question number 3. Which of the following statement is true about the first aid and AED course is true? The course is fully subsidized. All right, the answer is D. Sorry, guys. I'm not going to let you go through this because I saw you guys have attempted it, so I'm very happy about that. All right, question 4. Adam wants to find out about the first aid. What can he do? Who can he approach? He can approach the volunteers or the CC
The
staff.
police.
Okay,
No,
what does
the
CC stand for? What does
what?
the CC stand for here? Who's the CC staff? Do you know what's a CC here?
Citizens something.
No. CC.
Community club.
Yes, okay. So the community club members, okay? A. You guys need to be a bit more careful, yeah? Question number 5, the standard first aid and AD awareness course will be held. Where is it held? Where is this held? At a classroom. All right, so a classroom at Nee Soon, this thing. The answer is D. Question 6, according to the poster, what is the point of learning first aid? Of course, everybody learns first aid so that you can help people in case of emergencies. I'm going this fast because I saw your answers and most of y'all got, I think not most of y'all, all of y'all got it correct. Only Javen's answer I haven't seen. All right, the 4 sessions of the standard first aid and AD awareness course will take place on a Sunday. All right, Sunday. And the last question is, Carol is only free on weekends in December. Which date could she attend? There are already dates. Is there dates there? The dates are right there.
Yes.
Because it is in December, it has to be 12, right? So, duh. How can you get this wrong? Did anybody get this wrong? You can't because it's December. This is December. All right, so answer is D. Alrighty. Okay, before we go through the comprehension cloze, which I'm going to do it quite fast as well, I really want to focus, guys. Visual text, comprehension. I saw some of your answers for comprehension. I think you got quite a lot of it wrong. So that's why I want to go through it, okay? But your visual text was very well done. All the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of the 5 of your 4 of your results, all was full marks. So well done on that. When I looked at your comprehension cloze answers, like I don't know whether it was Sini or was it Aiman, the answers were correct, but the terms were wrong. That means instead of saying flavor, you said flavoring. So they were like, instead of saying consist, you said consisting. So when I'm going to go through the answers now, please go and look, open up your worksheet and tell me what answers you have put in so you can check with me whether I accept the answers. Is that okay? So you all know how to, in your computer, you all know how to open another tab, right? So go up to your worksheet and as I'm going to give you all, I'm going to assign numbers for you all today. All right, Haley, you're going first. Siyang, you're going to number 2. Javen, you're going number 3. Aiman, you're going number 4. And Sini, you're going number 5. I repeat.
Why
Haley,
number 1?
Never mind, Haley. Haley 1, Siyang 2, Javen 3rd, Aiman 4th, and Sini 5th.
I can't be first. He's always last.
Yeah, he's 4th today. He will climb up slowly. All right. And my mouse is not working. Well done, Javen. Hang on, guys. Silly mouse. So today I took Darcy for a 1 hour, 10-minute walk. So my poor Darcy is so tired today. And you all know it's winter here, right? I'm wearing multiple layers. So cold. Come on, work. Okay, it's working. Okay, Compre cloze. Haley, I'm going to read the whole thing for you, Haley, so don't worry about that. And after I read the whole passage, we're going to go through the answers, okay? Hainanese chicken rice is a dish. Hang on. Hainanese chicken rice is a dish that dash of steamed white chicken and dash into bite-sized pieces and served on fragrant rice with light soy sauce. Damn it. Make me read about chicken rice in Australia. This is the most terrible thing y'all can do to me. I can't even buy chicken rice here. It's like $24 and it doesn't even taste nice. The dish is topped with sprigs of coriander leaf and sesame oil and accompanied by a garlic chili sauce, which is my favorite. The rich dash of chicken rice, now I really want to eat chicken rice. The rich dash of chicken rice comes from rice that has been prepared, pre-fried in chicken fat. Oh, is that chicken fat? Have I been eating rice in chicken fat? I have no idea. All right, never mind. The chicken dash of chicken rice comes from rice that has been pre-fried in chicken fat and then cooked in chicken broth. The chicken is steamed dash. It is dashed not too tough or dry. And while the chicken is presented on a large dish, the rice is dashed served on individual plates. The dish also sometimes comes with soup, which is garnished with spring onions. An early dash of Hainanese chicken rice featured rice balls. We've never tried that. The rice balls were cooked in pandan leaves and ginger slices over a slow fire. The dash was then dashed into balls with the cook's bare hands before it got cold. This version of the dish is dash seen in Singapore. Dash. Chicken rice is now a specialty dish at some hotels in Singapore and is listed on the Singapore Tourism Board website as dash of the local dishes that dash should not dash. So unique is chicken rice to Singapore that it is sometimes dashed to as Singapore chicken rice in other countries. So in Australia, when I was in Singapore, I used to buy chicken rice for $2.50, $3. And it was just outside the secondary school that I was teaching. All right. And we used to have one of the best chicken rice stalls. And when I come to Australia, the cheapest chicken rice I have bought is 24 Australian.
Do you buy it? Do you buy it?
I bought it because I'm a Singaporean who missed my char kway teow, my
You-
nasi
is
lemak.
it- was it
that
nice?
in Singapore dollars? Then come back to Singapore, Joe. Come back
You know
to
how much is the
Singapore.
biryani? Yeah, it's $32.
Was
Oh,
it
I
nice?
like
Was it the one the $24 chicken rice nice?
And the nasi lemak, the nasi lemas are about $28, $24. I think the cheapest nasi lemas is $18. And it's not even
No,
nice.
they're scamming you.
No,
Oh,
it's not
just
it's the whole of Australia because you don't have Asian food. It's Australia.
Then
So
go
use
find
kangaroo.
go catch
you can
chicken.
buy
and
Just
pizza.
come back to Singapore. Come back
They
to
use dead
Singapore.
kangaroo as a chicken.
No, but do you know pizza? You can buy pizza for $5. $5 pizza. Okay, because that is their local food. You can never buy pizza for $5 in Singapore unless you're
It's like
talking about.
$10 or
I like
$12.
eating kangaroo.
No, yeah, it's not kangaroo meat, you silly goose. But anyway, people do eat kangaroo meat, yeah.
It's not
I-
kangaroo meat, it's pig meat.
That is pork. But
It's
anyway,
beaver meat.
coming back to what was I saying? So I really, really, really miss
It's dog meat.
Singapore's char kway teow. I miss my nasi lemak. I miss my chicken rice. I really
I
miss
miss kangaroos.
I miss my what is the kangaroo your head? Why are you having a comb, Haley? Okay, let's come back. All right, Haley, you're going first. Hang on. Haley, you're going first.
Yeah, I know.
So go for it.
Oh, Hainanese chicken rice is a dish that contains.
All right, does it contain? Will you accept the word contain? It contains? No, can someone think of a better word than contain?
Meat.
Consists.
The dish that made of no.
Consists.
Yes, thank you. Consist.
Consist.
And when you put the word consist, S-I-S-T, it's not consist because this is singular. A dish that consists.
For S.
All right, C-O-N. So, Haley, I will not accept contain, okay? Consists of steamed white chicken dashed into bite size. So, Young, what is number 10? A white chicken, steamed white chicken. Young. It's Young there.
Okay,
Yes,
just
I
stop.
am.
Then give me my answer.
Okay lah, talk lah.
I did. And it's cut.
Sorry, what?
You talk properly.
Cut.
Or cut. Yes, thank you. The answer is cut. Cut into bite-sized pieces and served on fragrant rice with light soy sauce. The next person is Javen. Javen, the rich dash of chicken rice comes from?
The rich flavor of chicken
Okay.
rice.
All right. I'm not sure whether it was Sini or was Aiman or
Is
someone.
flavoring or flavor?
Yeah, someone put their flavoring. It's
Is
not.
it flavoring? Is it flavoring?
It's not flavoring. It's flavor. So, all right. So it is supposed to be F-L-O-U-R. I'm not sure whether it was Aiman or Sini, but one of your
Culture is
flavor.
silly because I am putting that.
Oh, Sini, is that you, darling? Okay, so remember the answer is flavor. And I think, Sini, I'm not sure if it was you, but you misspelled the word flavor. You spelled it the American way. All right, where they take out the U. So, yeah, neighbor, color, and flavor. So the American spelling is such that they take out the U, while the British, we follow British Singapore.
Yeah, in my compo, I spell color without you.
Color without the? Yeah, you have to spell it because we follow the British, yeah? All right, thank you. So don't forget about that. So the rich flavor. All right, let's move on. Number 12. Who's that? Is it Aiman? Aiman? The chicken is steamed.
No, oh yeah. Number 4. The chicken is steamed until.
All right, thank you. The chicken is steamed until it is Sini.
Teacher, for the complete close, I did it on my paper.
Oh, okay, then mark it from the paper. Sini, what is it?
Perfect.
Sorry, what? Faye?
Perfect.
Perfect. The chicken is
Yep.
steamed until it is perfect? Is that what you said? No, you wouldn't say perfect because they said not too dry, not too tough, or not too dry. So here they're talking about chicken